I've got 5 essential steps to prepare your kitchen for a successful home sale. Let's talk about it. Are you gearing up to put your home on the market? If so, you're likely aware of the importance of making a strong first impression. One of the most critical areas to focus on is your kitchen. A well-prepared kitchen can significantly impact a buyer's potential perception of your entire home. To get you started, I've selected 5 essential steps from my comprehensive checklist on how to prepare your kitchen for a successful home sale. By the way, for that full list and a detailed room-by-room analysis, including tips on preparing for photo day, be sure to visit my website. First, professional tile cleaning and grout repair. Start by having all of the tiles in your kitchen professionally cleaned and repair any damaged grout. This will make your kitchen surfaces look refreshed and well-maintained, helping potential buyers envision themselves in the space. Clean, sparkling tiles create an inviting atmosphere that can be a major selling point. Second, caulk and seal check the areas around your sink and the seam between the counters in your backsplash. If there are gaps or deteriorating caulk, it's essential to reseal these areas. A clean, well-maintained kitchen shows potential buyers that your home has been cared for. Third, neutralize your walls. Remove any dated wallpaper or wallpaper borders in your kitchen and consider texturing and painting the walls in a neutral tone. Neutral colors create a blank canvas that allows buyers to envision their own style in the space. Plus, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders in giving your kitchen a modern and appealing look. Fourth, update the hardware and fixtures. One cost-effective way to refresh your kitchen is by updating the hardware on cabinets and drawers. Consider sleek, modern handles or knobs that give your kitchen a contemporary feel. Additionally, check your faucet and light fixtures for leaks, drips, or outdated styles. Replacing them with newer, more attractive options can make a big difference. Finally, clean and organize. A clean and organized kitchen is a must when selling your home. Clean the inside and outside of cabinets and drawers with soapy water and touch up any chipped or worn areas with paint or stain. Organize your pantry, remove magnets and clutter from the refrigerator, and clean behind the appliances. This attention to detail signals to buyers that your home has been well maintained. Now remember, these are just 5 of the essential steps you can take to prepare your kitchen for a successful home sale. To access the complete checklist, which includes a total of 15 items for your kitchen and a full room-by-room analysis, visit our website. We also provide valuable advice on preparing for photo day, a crucial aspect of marketing your home effectively. By following these steps and presenting a well-maintained, appealing kitchen, you'll be well on your way to impressing potential buyers and maximizing the value of your home. Happy selling, and I hope this helped you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.